What is pickling and unpickling? Pickling is the Python term for serialization process that converts a Python object into a binary representation. Unpickling is the Python term for deserialization process that converts a binary representation back into Python object. So, here you can see if we want to convert a Python objects to a Python file, we can do it through a serialization, and again if we want to revert it, we can do it through deserialization. So, basically your serialization is pickling and deserialization is unpickling. Okay. So, let me show you through a code. So, here if you will see, we have a dictionary object employee, right, which will be serialized. We have a file named as employee.pkl file, right. We have a file employee.pkl file. So, that will store the serialized form of Python object. The pickle.dom function is used to pickle the employee object to the file. It takes two arguments, the object to be pickled, that is employee, and then the file object to which the pickled object should be written, that is employee.pkl file. Then you can ask me why we have written this open then WB and all, right. So, we have written this open then employee.pkl then comma WB because we want to open a file. Okay. We want to open that file and then write something to it, right. So, basically it should be in the open mode, and WB is written, which means write byte mode. So, basically we will open the file, and which mode it is in the write byte mode. So, that is what WB means. Similarly, you can also put it into read byte mode. In the read byte mode, you cannot write anything to it, you can only read it. That is why here we want to write something, that is why we have put it as WB. Okay. Then we have unpickled it, here we are unpickling it, right. So, pickle.load function is used to deserialize and unpickle the object from the file. It takes one argument, the file object from which the object should be loaded. Okay. So, here you can see RB we have written because we want to put it as in a read mode. Okay. So, that is all about your pickling and unpickling in Python. We will move to the next question. What is the difference between shallow and deep copy? So, we will learn about this question in our next video. Thank you.